Class Cyclostomata. All living members of the class Cyclostomata are the ectoparasites on some fishes. Skin soft, smooth, containing a unicellular mucous glands but no scales. Cyclostomes have a sucking and a circular mouth without jaws. They are also called the jawless fishes. Cranium and the vertebral column are the cartilaginous. Circulation is of closed type. Heart is two chambered and one auricle and the one ventricle with the conus arteriosus anteriorly. Cyclostomes are marine but migrate from spawning to fresh water. After spawning within a few days, they die. Their larvae, after metamorphosis, return to the ocean. Example Pteromyzon and the Myxine. They are the lamprey and the hagfish. Class Chondrichthyes. They are marine animals with a streamlined body having cartilaginous endoskeleton. ओए गिन लो सब हिलाओ थोड़ी सी. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. In these fishes, 5 to 7 pairs of gill are present. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. The skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are the predaceous. Due to the absence of the air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Intestine has crawl wall to increase absorptive surface. Heart is two chambered. Some of them have electric organs, that is torpedo. And some possesses poison sting. Example trigon. They are cold-blooded poikilothermous animals. That is, they lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate in males, pelvic fins, beard claspers. Fertilization is internal, and many of them are viviparous. Examples Scoliodon, dogfish, and the Pristis, that is a sawfish. Carcharodon, great white shark. Trigon, Class Osteichthyes. It includes both marine and freshwater fishes with a bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined, mouth is mostly terminal. They have four pairs of gills which are covered by a operculum on each side. Skin is covered with the cycloid, ctenoid scales, plasmoid scales are absent. Skull valve in the intestine is absent. Adult kidneys are the mesonephric. Air blood is present which regulates buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and the one ventricle. They are cold-blooded. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is usually external. They are mostly oviparous and development is direct. Example marine exocetus, flying fish, hippocampus, freshwater labia. Okay. In marine we have exocetus, hippocampus, and in the freshwater we have labio, which is rohu, katla, which is also known, clarias, magur, and the aquarium is betta, it is a fighting fish. Pterophyllum, angelfish. Then we have the class Amphibia. As the name indicates, amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Name indicates amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial. Most of them have two pairs of limb, bodies dividable into head and trunk. Tail may be absent in some. The amphibian skin is moist. The eyes have eyelids. The tympanum represents ear. Alimentary or urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called the cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs, and through skin. The heart is three-chambered. RBCs are biconvex, oval, and the nucleated. These are cold-blooded animals. Kidneys are the mesonephric, urinary bladder large. Urinary tracts open into cloaca. Excretion is ureotelic. Sexes are separate, fertilization is external. Their oviparous and development is mostly indirect. Larvae is tadpole, which metamorphoses into adult. Example bufo, toad, rana, hyla, salamandra, Isthiopis, then the class Reptilia. Hyla is the tree frog. Rana is frog. Bufo is toad. Barbie वाले बैग में. Class Reptilia. The class name refers to the creeping or the crawling mode of locomotion. Okay, Latin rapid or the raptum. They are mostly terrestrial animals and their bodies covered by dried and cornified skin. Epidermal scales or scutes. Tympanum represents ear. They do not have external ear openings. Limbs, when present, are two pairs. Heart is usually three chambered but four chambered in crocodiles. Respiration by lungs throughout life. Kidneys metanephric. जल रहा है जो स्लो मोशन में चल के गए हो ना आप क्या कुछ नहीं lateral line system absent. It is a Jacobson's organ present in the roof of buccal cavity. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Example: Chelone, testudo, chameleon.
ऐसे नहीं पकेगा ये पानी डालना पड़ेगा
नहीं पानी डालना ढक के रखो केलोट्स
क्या
ढक दो उसको
जल जाएगा वो उससे
हाँ तो हिलाते रहना होता है
तो वो पक ही नहीं रहा है ना
हेमीडैक्टिलस नाजा बंगारस विपेरा पूरा जंगल है ये तो Class Aves. The aves are the birds. They are the birds and the presence of feather and they can fly except flightless bird. Example ostrich. Ostrich is the flightless bird. They possess beak. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, or clasping the tree branches. Skin is dry without glands except the oil gland, that is the uropygeal or the preen gland. At the base of tail, ostrich and parrot lack oil gland. Endoskeleton is fully ossified and long bones are hollow with air cavities, that is a pneumatic. The digestive tract of birds has additional chambers, the crop and gizzard. Heart is completely four chambered. They are warm blooded. Homeothermal animals, that is, they are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Voice is produced by a special organ, the syrinx. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Only one left ovary is present. Absence of urinary bladder. They are oviparous and development is direct. Example: Corvus columba, Sitacula, Struthio, Pavo, Aptenodytes, Neophron. Class Mammalia. They are found in variety of habitats. Polar ice cap deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, and the dark caves. Some of them have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk producing gland, that is, the mammary glands, by which the young ones are then nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. External ears or pinnae are malleus are three ear ossicles in middle ear. Heart is four-chambered, homotheus. They are viviparous with few exceptions. Pteropus macaca, Camellus, Rattus, Canis, Phallus is the cat, Elephas, Equus, Delphinus, Barion, Pitera, Panthera, Tigris, Panthera, Leo, and the Ornithorhynchus, that is the platypus.